ready to go.
Sure.
Straight down. There you go. All right.
Now you're hot.
Yeah, try to hit that yellow thing on the front of it there.
I haven't hit anything yet. Don't get down there in my way.
Real smooth, huh?
Mary like.
It's nice, ain't it?
Mary like a lot.
And that's all there is to that one. There's no kick
don't
to
tell
it
Greg. Okay.
Can you put another one in for her?
Back on.
I can tell Mary likes it.
Oh,
Hand feed it.
This thing shoots nice. And what I like.
Oh my. Are you out of the way?
Clear.
That went right over the top. I do that. I like it.
I told you. I encourage that too.